Stop paying for AI. I mean it. While everyone else is busy arguing about which $20 a month chatbot makes the nicest images, Google just did something crazy. They didn't simply launch a tool. They quietly released their full professional level AI toolkit, and the whole thing is completely free. No, this isn't about writing your emails. This is a stack of tools so powerful that researchers are finishing a week of work in seconds. This is the new unfair advantage. And while your competition is still stuck inside one chat box, I'm giving you the 6-tool playbook, the exact workflow. This is the guide Google doesn't want you to see. Let's go. Alright, it's 10 p.m. Your exam is tomorrow. You're looking at 5 chapters, 30 articles, a 100-page PDF of notes, and you're in trouble. This is tool number 1, NotebookLM. And this becomes your new secret weapon. I drop everything in here, all 5 chapters, my messy class notes, a few web links, all at the same time. Instantly, it reads, organizes, and summarizes everything. But you haven't seen the real magic yet. Google calls it Studio. Now let's be honest. You're tired, your eyes hurt, you simply cannot read another word, so you don't have to. You click Audio Overview, and NotebookLM instantly creates a ready-to-play podcast from all your notes. You can plug in your earbuds, go for a walk, and just listen to your chapter, and turning your entire notes into a binge-worthy AI podcast. Alright, the audio podcast is great, but what if you're a visual learner? You listen to the chapter, but it still hasn't clicked. You need to actually see it. No problem. You click Video Overview, and in about 60 seconds, it generates a short animated explainer video. That chapter you hated, you just got a 7-minute animated breakdown. This is a complete game changer for complicated topics. Alright, it's the next morning. It's exam day. You have 2 hours. You don't have time to re-listen or re-watch anything. You need fast revision, you click Mind Map, boom. It generates a full interconnected map of all 5 chapters. You can see the key topics, how everything connects, and all the subpoints. This becomes your ultimate one-page review sheet. Okay, final step. It's 1 hour before the exam, you're outside the hall. Time to improvise. You need to know one thing. Are you ready? You click Quiz. It instantly creates a practice test based only on your notes. It's testing you using your own material. This is your final check. You find out exactly what you don't know before the professor does. Think about what just happened. You basically hacked your exam for free. So NotebookLM is your exam day hack. But what about your job, your business, and creative side hustle? Your problem isn't exams. The problem is 10 different subscriptions. A tool for writing, images, videos, and also for emails. It's chaos. This is tool number 2, Gemini. And no, it's not just another chatbot. This becomes your central command center, and it starts with something nobody else can do. It knows you. Watch this. It's connected to my Gmail, Drive, and Photos. This is the personalized layer. Let me type a prompt. Go into my Gmail, find that presentation the designer sent last month, pull the 5 key ideas. Then go into my Google Drive. Find that photo I took of a whiteboard and summarize that too. And it just did it. It read my private email, it searched my entire photo library, it read my messy handwriting from a picture and gave me a summary. It's not just an AI tool. This is your personal assistant. Now, Gemini is incredible at finding information inside your private world. But what about everything else? What about information you don't already have? What's happening online right now? This is the deep research feature. You're not just searching Google anymore. You're asking Gemini to read, understand, and analyze the live internet, and bring back a report. Let me type a prompt. Provide a deep 800-word analysis on the future of the U.S. electric vehicle market. Cite sources and include the latest Q3 2025 financial reports. And there it is, a full report. It handled the research, the analysis, and the citations by itself. So yes, it's smart. It's basically a research assistant. But can it create things? Let's say you're building a website for your new side hustle, a small premium coffee brand. You don't have a $1,000 budget for a professional photo shoot. Watch this. I give it a prompt. Create an ultra-realistic cinematic 16:9 hero image for a new coffee brand website. A top-down shot of black coffee in a minimalist cream white ceramic mug. The mug sits on a light textured marble table. Add a few scattered coffee beans and a small yellow flower in the soft focus background. Lighting should be warm sunset light from a window on the right. Look at that. That's not a stock image. That's a custom professional grade visual generated directly from the creative brief. So now you have the perfect product shot. But this is 2026. You need video, ads, social media content. Normally you'd hire a videographer and start from scratch. But this is the one that changes everything. Even though this tool has a price tag, I have to show it to you because it replaces your video editor, videographer, and B-roll subscription all at once. This is Veo, Google's video generation system built directly inside Gemini. Let's animate the coffee shot. Animate that last image. Make steam gently rise from the mug and slowly push the camera forward for 5 seconds with Ultra 4K quality. Also make it look cozy and professional. That's a usable 4K high-definition video clip ready for a social media ad. Now Gemini handled the creative work, but next comes to the building part. This is tool number 3, Google AI Studio. And this becomes your free custom productivity engine. It's exactly what it sounds like. You don't write code, you describe what you want, and it builds the app. Here's my prompt. Build a simple app. 1 text field for the product name, a second field for 3 key features. Then add a button that generates 5 high-energy Gen Z-style product descriptions for an Instagram ad. Look at that. That's a real app. A functional interface with 2 text boxes and a button. The entire tool was created from only a simple prompt. Let's test it. I asked, dark roast, smoky, bold, intense. Click generate, and it works. I just created a custom tool for my intern in 60 seconds, simply by describing the idea. This is the productivity hack. It's not about building a huge complex app. It's about building small, smart tools that save you 10 hours a week and give you exactly what your business needs. That's the real power of AI Studio. It's not just a chatbot. It's a factory where you create your own tools without writing a single line of code. And here's another thing. The real magic of AI Studio isn't just text. It's multimodal. It can see, it can hear, and it can talk too. Here's a pro tip that 99% of people miss. This small slider here called temperature. This is your creativity dial. Turn it down to 0, and the AI becomes a robot. Pure facts. No jokes, no risks. Turn it up, and it becomes an artist, a brainstorm partner, a creative thinker. You are literally controlling the personality of the AI before you even start. But that's just the beginning. This is AI Studio Live. This is where it gets eyes and ears. And this is the wow moment. This might be the most powerful button on the platform. Share screen. This turns it into a live AI companion. Imagine you're a designer stuck in Figma. You're looking at a design and something feels wrong. You share your screen and click talk. Hey studio, look at my screen. This website design feels boring. Tell me 3 specific things I can change right now. That's the real power of AI Studio. It's not just a chatbot, it's a collaborator. It has a creativity dial. It can generate realistic audio. And it can literally look at your screen and guide you. So AI Studio is powerful. It builds custom tools in seconds. But let's be honest. It's ugly. Functional, but ugly. You can't put that interface on your website. That's where tool number 4 comes in. Stitch. Stitch is a prompt to UI design generator. Let's design the interface for the ad copy tool we just built. Here's the prompt. Create a UI for an ad copy generator. Cozy minimalist vibe for a coffee brand. 1 text field for product name, another for key features. A generate button. Show 5 results in clean cards below. Look at that. Beautiful. A full responsive UI. It understood the cozy style. It built the inputs, the button, and the result cards. It basically did a designer's work in 5 seconds. It won't replace a $50,000 design agency, but for version 1 of your side project, it's perfect. And here's the workflow nobody is talking about. We take this professional UI code, then go back to our AI Studio app and paste it in. Now our tool has the brain from AI Studio and the face from Stitch. That's the real zero-coder stack. Build the logic in Studio, build the interface in Stitch, combine them, and you have a real product built in 10 minutes. Now imagine you're a builder. You have your product, your website. The hard work is done, but now you have to market it, and that part usually costs a fortune. This is where you hire an agency or a freelancer or just burn out trying to guess what to post. Welcome to tool number 5, Pommelly. It looks simple, just 1 box. But that box can replace an entire marketing agency. You paste a website URL, any site. Let's use the coffee website we just created. I paste the link and watch. It scans the site and creates a complete brand DNA profile. It understands the colors, the fonts, the cozy tone of voice, all from a single link. Now we give it a task. Generate a 1-week social media campaign for a fall special latte. 3 Instagram posts and 3 X posts. Keep the tone cozy and friendly. Done. Images using the correct brand colors. Captions written in the right tone. An entire week of professional marketing content created instantly. That's basically a marketing agency in a box, for free. We've now gone from research to creativity to building to design to marketing. That's the 5-tool stack, already an incredible free workflow. But at the beginning, I promised you 5 tools and 1 secret wildcard. This is tool number 6. Opal. AI Studio builds complex apps. Stitch designs websites. Pommelly handles marketing. Opal builds other AI tools. This is a no-code builder for creating mini AI apps. You simply describe the tool, and it builds it in seconds. Everyone has one annoying task. For me, it's getting super long, overly formal emails from random companies. Instead of wasting time reading them, I'll build a tool. Watch. Prompt. Create a tool with one large text box for a formal email. Add 2 buttons. Button 1, translate to simple English. Button 2, draft a polite no thank you reply. And there it is. The app is already built. It understood the logic. 2 buttons, 2 separate actions. But this is just the blueprint. I click publish, and now it's live. A real app I can bookmark and use every day. I paste the long email. Click translate to simple English. Then click draft a polite no thank you reply. Done. Think about what just happened. You didn't just use AI, you built an AI tool designed specifically for your life, simply by describing it. You could create a tweet idea generator, a resume helper, a meal planner, anything. This is the zero-coder dream, and this is the unfair advantage I promised. This entire stack exists right now, for free, while everyone else is still arguing about a $20 chatbot. Google didn't just give you a tool, they gave you the whole factory. A research brain, a creative studio, a video generator, an app builder, a web designer, a marketing team, and a tool builder to create your own tools. You don't have an excuse anymore. The tools are here, they're free. And 99% of people still don't know they exist, but now you do. Your unfair advantage starts today. I've added links to all 6 tools in the description. Go check them out and go build something. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.